Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. First, open the Groww app and sign in. Make sure two-factor auth is active. Once done, check the Derivatives or F and O tab and confirm there are no open contracts. Close any positions or place offsetting trades. Also make sure to withdraw excess margin. Leaving funds can block account-level changes. Now move to Account Settings. You'll need to access the permissions and trading segments immediately, so don't leave this screen. You will now navigate deeper. Tap Profile, then Account Settings, and choose Trading Permissions or Trading Segments. Here, locate the Futures and Options entry and flip the toggle off. This revokes derivative access. If the toggle is not present, use the in-app support form. Explain you want F and O deactivated and reference your client ID. Make sure to include that all positions are closed. This speeds processing. After submitting, watch for a confirmation notification or email from Groww. Finish by verifying the change. Check notifications and account summary. The F and O segment should disappear or show disabled. This can take 24 to 48 hours. If it remains active, take screenshots of your settings, open the in-app chat, and escalate with your client ID and ticket summary. Ask for an estimated resolution time. One key troubleshooting tip. If you get an error about open positions, recheck for hidden or expired contracts, and ensure margins are zero.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.